It looks like people want a nugget.
Oh,
update.
you got the nuggets.
No, I didn't get them.
Oh, you didn't get
but
the
I
nuggets.
can go get them.
No, I like how they said you got the nuggets, and I believe them.
Right, yeah. They actually
I'm
run
like,
the
damn,
production
you got
here.
the nuggets. I just thought Will, with his Discord, had people in the loop.
Have you shouted out the Discord yet?
No, he
No, I guess
didn't.
we
No,
should,
he
since we're talking
didn't.
Slack. Yeah, Discord is live right now.
Easy.
You guys can join the link. It's down below.
Easy.
It's in the description?
Yeah.
Is there
Okay.
community?
It's all set up.
Is community stuff going on there?
I think so. You gotta join.
No, I am. Don't worry about me. I join. I see.
Well,
I
I
join.
sent you 10 invites already.
I see and I join.
Mo's in it.
No, I
Kurt's
just.
in it.
But what about
Fotis
moderators?
is
What
in
about
it.
moderators?
It's all set up. Yeah. Shout out to
There's
the
a few
people
mods.
who
There's no
actually
need
set
to
it
yell
up.
at me though.
Well, Will's been hyped about this.
Yeah, it's exciting.
Holy.
Every morning I come in and he tells me another level that's been completed in the Discord.
Oh right. It's like he's playing a hard video game.
Yeah.
I am on the next level.
Yeah. Shout out Don Quixote. Shout out Will. Another Will.
Another Will. There can only be one Will. Will 2.
Kick him out.
He actually called himself Alpha Will.
He did, yeah. I think he changed his name. I originally thought Will had called himself.
Whoa. It says his username is better than Will from the show.
Yeah.
Better in every way.
Definitely designing Discord servers. He has the edge.
He's got the edge on
Got
you.
it all set up. So thank
Got
you.
the edge on you. So explain to me, what do I do when I get over there? What is my course of action once I get over there?
Well, you can first
Oh,
read
look
the
at this.
rules.
Where's
here.
Vin? Is Vin in there?
Are you nuts? What the?
Vin, get in there, man.
Yeah,
I
man.
don't even know what
The
any
people,
of
they
this
have
is.
questions for you. Come on. This is community stuff. You're a part of the
Did you-
community.
Oh my God, that guy changed his name that quickly. Better than Will from the show.
Shout out.
Let's go.
So yeah, you read the rules, and then there's different, panels.
That's a lot
that
of
you
rules.
can get into.
You have a lot of rules there.
No,
No, this is pretty standard.
pretty much just like be
It's all right,
respectful.
but-
You have 14. Oh, you can't buy, sell, or trade. Vin's out.
What? You just kind of like copy paste the standard community. Yeah. What is the
Just
purpose
pick
of
and
this?
choose. It's just community chat.
Like basically, when the show, like we have chat here when the show is live, but
Yeah.
after that it's dead. The community can't interact around subjects, topics. People can talk about the news, go beyond what happened in the story, something that's breaking that they want us to talk about on a follow-up episode. We can interact over here.
There's memes as well.
Yeah, people can post memes that are specific to the show that we might be able to use at a later point. You can see the community growing right now, actually. Look at this.
It's great.
It's a real community atmosphere. So we
And I'll
can
be on it.
and yeah, like
on a
we can be.
regular basis.
Well, why
in
don't
tune.
you guys like actually?
see the community growing right there? Shout out the community.
Why don't you like plan something or?
Oh, we got
something
lots of
like
plans,
little
Vin.
events on here.
Yeah, or
Yeah.
something.
We got plans, Vin, but first we need you to get in there. You understand? We need you in the community. No buying, selling, or trading.
This
Vin.
is like gateway to Twitter. I don't know. I'm
No, this is private and exclusive, Vin. This is just you in with the community. Everybody knows everybody. It's no worries. It's a tight knit. Vin, I'm telling you, man.
You
He's
got
not
like voice
convinced.
chats too. People like chat with each other.
Somebody says hopefully it doesn't get too wild.
Oh, CNN.
There you go. Don Quixote just hits us up right here with the breaking news. You see, because you're watching CNN Ultra, don't forget.
Can you put poll like okay? Why? Well,
Look at this, man. They're flying. The memes are flying. All the stolen memes.
Elon's memes.
Elon's in here now, Vin. Get it together.
Oh yeah, it's probably the most important. Whenever we have a live show, it updates on here. Like it kind of automatically sends the tweet out.
Oh, let's go. So it's a notifier.
Yes.
So every time we're live, you just come over here. There's no chance you're going to miss out.
Yeah, exactly.
You're very
'Cause
happy.
You know our
You're
time.
so happy, Will. You're so happy.
It's a good time.
Holy, I never saw him like this before. Did you know about all this, Mo?
I knew about it, but now it's actually happening.
Did you know he was this happy though?
I kind of
Oh, he's been jazzed all week. He's
week.
been
I
really
see.
into it.
I like. I don't mind just watching people posting these and then just broadcasting that.
Well,
It could
I
get
mean,
dangerous.
Will's got to be safe right now, though, because
I
like,
know.
at the same time, I mean, we got moderators and stuff, but same time, I mean, we got to take it easy as well, right?
Yeah.
You saw that? Yeah.
Okay.
Amazing. No, well done, Will. Shout out to both Wills. Shout out to Don Quixote. I'm in there. Don't worry, I'm in there.
Yes.
I am there.
Otis as
If
well.
I'm not here, I'm there.
Yeah. We have a new logo as well.
We have a new logo, new branding. We got what are we gonna have, Will? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna have merch? Is there gonna be
Oh yeah.
is there gonna be Lou Later merch?
Mm-hmm.
So like, guys, don't underestimate. It's a lot going on.
We're working on it.
Yeah, shout out Boost FX. That's right. Now you can use Discord as a notification system. Now you know when the show starts. You never miss CNN Ultra. I mean, that's how simple it is.
I gotta head out, but
Yeah.
see you guys tomorrow.
Okay, you got it.
All right.
Thanks for joining us for a moment. Oh, we really appreciate it. Okay, what else we got, Will?
Did we end off with this?
Yeah, we like the idea. We think
Okay.
it's a good idea.
Cool.